Hi guys, it's Jamie. Welcome back. So Tuesday you all had seen me add this finish challenge into these debt binders. Sorry if you can hear the cats are a little rambunctious today. You'd see me add this finish challenge into these debt envelopes. And today, this is another finished envelope, and it has $30 in it. So we are going to add this 30 in here. And my plan is once I get $50 in these envelopes, I will take that money, deposit it in the bank, log in, and make a $50 payment. Just small wins, guys. If I can get one small win and see an extra payment going towards debt, my whole outlook will just start falling back into place. It's been a real struggle this summer here. So with everything that's been going on, thank you guys for reaching out and asking about my husband. He is doing better. He has to wear oxygen at night. But other than that, he's doing well. He's getting stronger, and that's where the personal loans came into, is because when he was in the hospital and I had to travel, I had to take out a couple of personal loans to help with that situation. So everything's good. We are going to take this out. And then I'm going to write on here added to debt binder on 8/21/2025. And then I'm just going to put it in here. See how many finished savings I can get. So there's that one. And like I said, there's $30 in here. I will count it to make sure. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So we're going to get started and see where it goes. First one is 6, 5, 6, 6, come on, 5, I don't like this dice, 3, oh wait, 3's down here, 1, 2. So I hope everybody is having a good week so far. It is Wednesday, so we're almost to the weekend. Sorry if you can hear the washer in the background. I'm trying to get caught up on everything, some laundry, and it is just being a little noisy. So if you can hear it, just try to overlook it. Well, come on. Looks like 2 is going to be the winner today. 2 and 4. Oh, there's a 6. So all of my girls, all of my hens, wait a minute. Was that a 2? I don't know. I'll have to go back and look. And if it is, then I'll change it. My hens are starting to lay. So we have been getting eggs every day this week, which is really good. I went out there this morning and I had 2. So probably later on this evening, when I go out there to get them straightened up for the night, there'll probably be a couple of more, because that's when I found that one last night. So let me get me a drink of coffee and pull out my little book, and we'll figure out what we got. So today, car got 3. So it now has 7. And I will show you guys how I'm keeping up with this, so I don't have to pull it out all the time and count it. So there's that one. Mortgage got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not bad. Get the house paid off quicker, because this will go towards the principal. Personal loan got 2. All of this is just little extra payments on it. All of them get paid on the 1st of the month anyway. Because you all, if you're new here, I am on disability, so trying to save what I can is a little bit hard when you're on a fixed low income. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lowe's has got 8. Medical bill is something I really want to get off of me, because that is the highest, just about, I think that's next to the highest one I've got. So, medical bills, I'm sorry, Lowe's got 8. Medical bills got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then PayPal has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got okay. There we go. So I'm over here trying to figure it out. So this is how I'm keeping up what is in each one of the envelopes. So that's not bad. It's adding up slowly but surely. One of these days I'll hit that goal of a $50 payment, and I'll take you all with me and show you where it's at. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I know it's probably a little noisy in the background, and just little small wins to add to debt is so awesome. So with that said, guys, I will catch you all in the next video. Bye, guys.